Okay. Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today, in this video, we are going to take a quick look at the Honor Magic 4 Pro. I know there are lots of reviews out there. So in this video, I will just cover one thing, just one thing, which is the charging speed. And according to my data, I tried wireless and wired charging, and I think it is the fastest charging phone on the planet, on this market right now. Why I just tested one thing? Because, you know, currently we are locked down. The only legal place you stay is your house, is your home, not your female colleague's house. You know, let's get started, shall we? We are locked down here in Shenzhen, but my tech reviews, my tech videos, especially the Redmi K50, which will be released tonight, still have videos, okay? So stay tuned for that. Also, if you want to learn more about this phone, I will do a detailed review later when we are on lockdown.